Hey guys, my name is Ingrid and welcome to iPinked. For those who are new to my channel, welcome to iPinked and I hope you stay for future videos. This is the space where I cook and I show you amazing food that is vegan, gluten-free, soy-free, and nut-free that you can either prepare at home or consume when you travel. I am going to show you how to make my amazing taco recipe. And that's exactly what I'm gonna have for dinner. It is 8:30 p.m. I think I'm one of those that cooks super late. And this preparation might take 30 minutes to an hour just because I'm filming. Otherwise, it will take me probably 20 minutes to prepare everything. So it's a really easy and quick recipe that I hope you enjoy. It's going to have meat crumbles. And I'm really excited to show you how I make them, and also a few veggies that I love to add to make sure that the tacos taste delicious. Alright, so let's start with the ingredients that I'm going to use. First, you're probably very surprised that my flour is pink. I'm going to be using coconut flour. You can substitute this with oat flour and also rice flour. I just happen to have this one. It's pink, I like it, and I'm not allergic to. I think this is going to be the start of the video. It is called Leque. I really hope that I'm pronouncing that correctly. It's probably not pronounced this way. So it is this instrument that helps you to make cauliflower rice and also broccoli rice. So it's pretty cool. I actually have a link in my Amazon store. So I'm gonna leave you the link below so you can check it out. This is just amazing and you'll see how it works. You all know I love cauliflower, so we are going to be using cauliflower in this video. I am kind of lazy, so I already got the shredded lettuce and also cilantro. We're also going to be using a red onion. You can do white onion or either the green onion. I just like the taste better. When it comes to tacos, I prefer the red onion. And then I'm also going to be using a carrot and one tomato. We are going to need some spices, so I got parsley and Himalayan pink salt. And also this Brazilian style churrasco from Urban Accents. So this is just a seasoning mix. It is vegan, it's gluten-free, soy-free, and nut-free. For that, you substitute it with any other seasoning mix that you have. If not, go ahead and use this one. It's pretty good. And I'm going to be using the provolone cheese from Follow Your Heart and also corn tortillas. And finally, I'll be using an avocado. So without any further explanation, let's jump into this video. Let's start by cutting our cauliflower. Once you cut it, go ahead and wash it. I use this veggie spray, and every product that I use, I'll link it below in my Amazon account. Alright guys, now this is the fun part. We already washed our cauliflower and you're just going to insert everything inside of your cauliflower rice maker. Let's call it that way. So you just add your cauliflower. So you push it down and then you start twisting it. For this, you're only going to need 3 tablespoons of your gluten-free flour. For the seasoning, you can see that I've already opened it, but basically half of the powder that comes will be enough. And then add a little bit of salt. I'm not going to measure this, I'm just gonna add a little bit. So we're just gonna go ahead and mix everything. Okay, so now that we've mixed all of our dry ingredients, I'm going to add a cup of water. So this is how our meat crumbles look right now. The one thing that you could add is also paprika. I like it a lot. I think it tastes really good. However, the seasoning for the tacos are enough, but if you're looking for that reddish color of the meat crumbles, then I will just add a little bit of paprika to that mix. Now we're gonna go ahead and cook our meat crumbles. Literally, I don't put anything in the pan. Honestly, you don't need it. And you know how I told you that it doesn't take a lot of time to prepare all of the ingredients? So basically, this is the one that's going to take the most time. So you saw that preparing it took us about 5 minutes. However, cooking is going to take somewhere between 20 to 30 minutes. So while this is cooking, we're going to go ahead and prepare all of the veggies that go inside the tacos. Let's start dicing our tomatoes. So when it comes to carrots, I'm just really picky. They need to be shredded. Next, chop some onions. Continue to repeat this step for the next veggies. In my case, I'm going to add cilantro, avocado, and lettuce. I use corn tortillas. I'm gonna go ahead and make 3 tacos. So literally all we're gonna do is put them in our pan. I feel like you can overcook them to the point that they're super hard, or you can just warm them up. I honestly prefer the second one because I feel like they're softer and then the cheese melts. You heard it, we are adding cheese. Although for the cheese, I wait until one side is slightly toasted, then I'll flip it and I add the cheese. I think that is just the best, and it is not crunchy, but it's soft enough that you can eat it. Another thing that you can use to replace these ones, let me show you. So I have these crunchy taco shells. I don't like them as much as the soft tortillas, but it's up to you. You can either do the soft tortillas and just add the cheese and probably microwave it for 30 seconds so that way it melts, or you can just go ahead and cook it. So here it is. They look amazing, they smell amazing, and now I'm gonna go check out the flavor. You could tell that the cheese melted, then the mix of veggies is perfect, and now it's time to try it. It's literally my favorite part of the video. Like, after you work so hard, now you have the reward to try amazing tacos that are cruelty free. Oh my god, they're so good. You guys need to make them at home. Really, really good. I feel like I'm already making a mess, but I cannot even explain you how amazing they are. I feel like the cheese is just perfect, the avocado is amazing, the onion is crunchy, and then the meatloaf crumbles are really good. So I'm very happy with how it turned out. I hope you guys enjoy watching this video. Please make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't. All you need to do is click this red button over here. Hit the bell twice if you want to receive notifications every time I upload a video. I upload videos every Wednesday, either at 10 or 11 a.m. So look forward to those. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video recipe. Make sure to tag me on Instagram, @pinkett_, or go ahead and leave your comments below telling me that you made this recipe. Send me pictures. I want to be able to see that you're trying the amazing food that I'm sharing with you. And please don't think that allergies are going to be a restriction to follow a vegan diet. You can follow a plant-based diet. You don't need nuts, you don't need soy. There are other sources for you to be able to prepare everything and make it cruelty-free. So I hope you guys enjoy this recipe. Give it a thumbs up. Leave me comments below. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Follow me on Instagram if you want to see the fun over there. And I will see you next week in a new video. Bye guys. Thank you so much for watching and thank you so much for being here. Honestly, I usually just stop recording, but you're amazing. Okay, now I'm gonna start recording. Thank you guys. Bye.